The physical properties of nonmetals are just opposite of physical properties of metals. Now let us see the important physical properties of nonmetals. Malleability. Nonmetals cannot be hammered into thin sheets. So, nonmetals are not malleable. Ductility. Nonmetals cannot be drawn into wires. So, nonmetals are not ductile. Brittle. Nonmetals break easily. The property of breaking easily, being brittle, is called brittleness. For example, carbon, in the form graphite, present in the pencil nib. Conduction of heat and electricity. Nonmetals are not good conductors of heat or electricity. Here note that carbon, which is in the form graphite, is a good conductor of electricity, which is an exception, but is poor conductor of heat. When a nonmetal sample is inserted into clips, the bulb does not glow. This shows nonmetals do not conduct electricity. Lustrous. Nonmetals are not lustrous, not shiny. They are dull. The solid nonmetals have a dull appearance. For example, sulfur and phosphorus are nonmetals which have no luster. Here we should note that iodine is the nonmetal having lustrous appearance, which is an exception in nonmetals. Generally soft. Nonmetals are generally soft. Example, sulfur and phosphorus are solid nonmetals which are quite soft. Here we should note that carbon, in the form of diamond, is the only nonmetal having extreme hardness, which is an exception in nonmetals. Strength of material. Nonmetals are not strong and easily broken. Example, graphite is a nonmetal which is not strong. State of material. Nonmetals may be solid, liquid or gas at room temperature. Melting and boiling points. Nonmetals are comparatively low melting points and boiling points. Here we should note that, except diamond, which is a nonmetal, has high melting point of 3500 degrees centigrade, and boiling point of 4827 degrees centigrade. For example, the melting point of sulfur, nonmetal, is 115 degrees centigrade. Density. Nonmetals are with low densities. Example, sulfur density is 2 grams per cubic centimeters. Sonorous. Nonmetals are non-sonorous in nature. They do not produce sound like metals when hit with an object. Color. Nonmetals have many different colors. Few examples for nonmetals are, sulfur is available in yellow color, and whereas phosphorus is in white or red colors.